Hey guys, this is me Aditya and I'm back again with a new video, and this time I have the Garmin Fenix 5X. Just have a look at it. Amazing. This is a Garmin's biggest smartwatch, which I could say, yeah. This is somewhere around $1,000. I got it on 50% from JB Hi-Fi. If you guys want, I can attach a link for this watch. If you still want to steal a bargain, you can get it for 50%. Alright, so who wants me to unbox this watch? Are you guys excited? Trust me, I am, man. Alright, let's just take it out. Alright. So that's the baby sitting there inside. Amazing. Let's take her out. Come on. I'll keep this aside until that time you guys can browse it. Alright, you also have to go, bro. Stay inside the box. And it's, wow, amazing. Amazing, amazing. Amazing design, architecture. Wow, let's just take this off. Okay. Let's see how it feels on our wrist. Okay. It's wonderful. Not bad. Let's see how it goes. So Fenix come in Fenix 5, Fenix 5S and Fenix 5X and Fenix 5X Plus. So Fenix 5X is something like this. So if you have wrist something like mine, it's really good. Fenix 5 is a little bit smaller. It doesn't have maps. So this one has maps. You can track your location and everything. It's really good. And if you are hiking, cycling, or ample number of sports, so you can just use the map in this watch. So let's just go. As you guys, if you guys are new to Garmin Fenixes, these don't have touchscreen. So it's just because of like the extreme weather conditions, this watch has to be used with the buttons here. Alright, so this button is for the light. As you can see, that's a very beautiful watch face. And alright, every button has its own option. So this one with the red means okay and press or go. So this is always the go button. So it'll always show you, like, if you want to select something, so it'll go. So like I pressed it and I've kept my cycling as the go. So I've just kept it here. If I press it like this, it'll just start. And if I press, it'll end. So this, like, it asks me to save or something, then I'll go ahead. So that's the map which I wanted to show you guys. So this tracks your location and also the type of parameter which you run on your bicycle or hiking, ample number of things. And let's go and see. So like, this is the watch face. I just changed it right now. If I press it, so we go to maps, we have, like, it shows me warm up and my lap time, my previous best time, and let me just resume it. Discard it. Yeah, should discard it. Alright, so it's just going. So the type of user interface of this watch is pretty like old age and custom. It doesn't have like those Super AMOLED display. It's just because to protect the watch from these things. So that's the bike menu, which is my customized menu. And if I go down, that's the navigation. And that's how you go about in this watch. Track and maps and my status and everything. All right. So it has got a couple of watch faces, but it doesn't have a lot of things like in other watches which you can customize and add a lot of watch faces. In this, it's just tiny 5 or 6 watch faces which you can customize and add. Alright, so I'll quickly get back to the box. What's inside? Alright, seems pretty heavy. Okay, I'll take this off first. Alright, so standard packaging, the booklet, as you guys can see. And alright, let's get back to the charger. Oh, okay. So they haven't given you an adapter inside, it's just a cable. So they just think that you might be having adapter, which is really good on Garmin's part. It's really good. Okay, so that's the cable, which I guess should be going here. Oops, wrong way. Oh, yeah. So that's how it goes, and this goes to the adapter, standard charging cable, and I'll just keep it aside. Let's just read what all things it has. Okay, so the watch is supposed to be lasting for 12 days. In my case, I unboxed it and used it for my cycle riding every day. And trust me, I have 40% battery right now as well. It was, when I unboxed it, it was 50%. So I've just lost 10% battery in my 4 hours of bicycle riding. That's pretty good. And it has all of your phone notifications. You can't pick up the call and answer it. It has advanced mapping, which I just showed you. It has advanced performance matrices as well. So this watch is mostly designed for people who are into running, hiking, swimming, cycling, mountaineering, and etc. and etc. So I'll just keep on using this watch, and I'll keep on updating you guys how it goes. Let me know if you have any questions about the watch, and if I miss out on anything, you can comment. Thanks a lot, guys. All right, take care.